We've talked about built-in modules with Python where you simply import them at the top of a Python file. Now let's talk about third-party modules, or these modules that we can download but are not pre-installed with Python. Now, these are not written necessarily by the Python core developers, but they're provided by outside entities, individuals, groups of people, even companies. And we do have to install them separately using something called pip, which we will learn about in the next lecture, as they're not pre-installed. So contrast that with built-in modules where they are from the Python core developers. We don't have to install them separately. They are pre-installed. With both third-party modules and built-in modules, we do have to import them at the top of Python scripts. So just a little intro. We'll learn all sorts of cool modules in this third-party modules section. And I'll continue adding to these. I'd love to hear what you would like to see. If you have any third-party modules you've heard about or really want to learn about, we will continue to add to them in this section on third-party modules.